The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
Cabinet Minister for Tourism and Spokesperson of the MDA 2.0 government, Paul Lyngdoh, clarified his recent remarks about the Hspdp's withdrawal from the Regional Democratic Alliance, which includes the UDP.
No, it's nothing major. I think you guys have blown it out of proportions. There's nothing as dramatic as it is made out to be. Some issues were raised by Hspdp, which were also made public through the media. But these will be resolved. I don't see just few points of differences of opinions which will be resolved amicably in the next few days. I was quoting a media report which was also circulated through WhatsApp, statements made by the Hspdp that they were going to put up candidates of their own for the forthcoming ADC elections. And my point was that such a matter was never raised at the proper platform, which is the RDA, the executive committee of the RDA. And therefore, since they went public with that announcement, I surmised that it could affect the relationship of the RDA, and the very next day the confirmation was that they would remain with the RDA, but then they would like to fight the ADC elections on their own. But again, I think it is only befitting and proper that if there was such an opinion or a decision on the part of the Hspdp, it could have been discussed in-house within the four walls of the RDA Executive Committee.
Addressing concerns about the impact of attacks on migrant laborers on Meghalaya's tourism, Lyngdoh stated that the issue can be easily resolved. He emphasized that all stakeholders, including the state government, opposition parties and pressure groups, are working together to elevate Meghalaya as a cultural and traditional powerhouse.
As I said, I would like the Deputy CM in charge home to react, because a lot of what you shared with me is also news to me. I have not heard about this particular episode that you mentioned. And on the other hand, good sense should always prevail, because whether it's the government, parties in the opposition or NGOs, we all are trying to lift Meghalaya up, elevate the state to enable us to unleash our full potential as a powerhouse of culture, music, and therefore we would need each one to act responsibly.